Today, I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts and remove them from your home feed. If you prefer a way more traditional YouTube experience, stick around. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the YouTube app. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to access your account settings. Tap on Settings. Now look for the option labeled General. Scroll down until you see the option for Shorts. You may find an option to disable or restrict Shorts. Tap it on to turn it off. If you don't see a specific option to disable Short, you can still limit them by adjusting your recommendations, interact less with Shorts content, or mark them as not interested when they appear, like this. Once you've made your changes, simply exit the settings. You should now notice fewer Shorts appearing on your feed. And that's it, you've successfully disabled YouTube Shorts from your home feed.